Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys my trash, kind of but not really. So I have this box here filled with products that are going straight in the trash after this video. Now everything is completely used up, so this is gonna be like a product empties video, and I personally love these type of videos because a lot of times you only see your favorite YouTuber use the product maybe once or twice. You don't know if they would use all of it or if they like it, if they don't. So I'm gonna go through everything and tell you guys what I thought about the product and if I would repurchase or if I'm just getting rid of them forever. And I actually filmed this video yesterday. My hair was pretty, my makeup looked pretty. I felt really good about the video, and then I went to edit and there was no audio. So this is my second try. Hopefully this will be better. Please give this video a like if you like it and let me know what other videos you want to see from me. But yeah, I have a lot of product here, so let's jump right into this video. Alright, so I have a lot of products here. I'm not really sure where to start because I have hair, makeup, skincare, everything. But I think I'm gonna start with hair because there's only two products. So the first product I have here is the Color Wow Dream Coat Super Natural Spray. Now I'm sure you've probably heard about this one. It's very talked about. So this was actually a gift, and the way that they explained it to me is that it's basically like a Brazilian blowout in a bottle. So you use this every 3 times you wash your hair, and then you blow dry it to activate it. And what it does, it definitely leaves your hair like super soft and smooth, and it also helps with frizz and to protect against humidity. Now my natural hair texture is very frizzy and kind of, you know when you braid your hair and it's kind of wavy, like that's my natural hair type. So this really helps, and I am gonna repurchase it. It's sold out from the website that I order from right now, but I will repurchase as soon as it's in stock. So next up, we actually have a product from a Swedish brand. This is the Budgie The Soft Wax. It's pretty gross, but this one I really like because I don't like the feeling of having product in my hair. So this one is really good to either use a tiny bit on your hand and just kind of comb down your baby hairs, or I will use it when I do my slicked back ponytail and I want my hair to be really sleek and shiny. I use this one too. So I have actually repurchased this one. So for skincare, I actually have 2 cleansers. I'm gonna start with this one right here. This is from Kix. This is their melting cleansing butter. I do the 2-step cleansing method, so these are the products that I use, and I actually still use them. I like them both. So I use this one first to just melt off my makeup, and this is the best cleanser. Now they are discontinuing their brand, so I did something. I'm gonna show you guys. I bought all of them. You might think that I'm crazy, but actually I think I'm very smart. Hold on, let me just put these down. So yeah, they were having a sale, and basically I got all of those cleansers. I think I got 10 or 11. I got all of them for like $35, which is super cheap. That's basically like 1 cleanser. So yeah, I'm all set for the next 1.5 years. So next up we have the Henriksen Oil Control Cleanser. Now this one is also really good. Like I said, I do the 2-step cleansing method, and my skin is always super duper clean. I actually used to have a problem like a couple of years ago because I used a lot of waterproof makeup or long-lasting products, and I would never fully get my skin clean. That doesn't happen to me anymore, so I really like these 2 products. They work great for me, and yeah, I would repurchase, and I have repurchased. Now the last skincare product I have is from The Ordinary, and I actually had the moisturizer too, but I already got rid of that one. So this is the Niacinamide and Zinc like serum, I guess. I actually switched out my whole skincare routine to The Ordinary recently. So I have this one and the moisturizer that I use, and then also like a peeling and a mask. So this one I got because I heard that this one was really good at fading like dark spots or acne spots, and that's something that I struggle with. I've always had really annoying skin, so I pretty much always have like 1 or 2 zits, but my biggest problem is that they leave scars, and they leave scars for a really long time. So yeah, that's why I got this one, and to be honest, I haven't really noticed a difference. So I've used this one for like 2 or 3 months, and I got another one, so I'm gonna try to use it for a little bit longer and see if I notice any difference. But yeah, so far I haven't. But if you guys know any type of like product or treatment that's really good for fading scars, definitely let me know, because I would love to know. So now moving on to makeup, I have quite a few products because I use a lot of makeup. So as you guys probably know, I've been using the Fenty foundation for ever since it came out, basically. I think it's 3 years ago. Yeah, I think it's been out for 3 years almost. So I've been using that one for 3 years. I felt like it was time to try something new. So I actually got the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation, this one right here, and I like it. I think the color is better for me with this one, but this one is a little bit more lightweight, so I don't feel like this one covers as much as the Fenty foundation, and it's also a lot more liquidy. So what I do is I do like one thin layer all over my face, and then I do a second layer just on my cheeks where my problem area is. So it works really well, and I have actually repurchased it, so I really like it, but I still really do like my Fenty foundation too. So next up we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder in Banana. I really like this one. I use this one to set under my eyes, my forehead, down my nose, and my chin, like the center of my face, and then I actually mix it with a darker powder from Huda Beauty. I'm not sure about the color, but I mix those two to do the rest of my face, and it works really well. And again, I have repurchased this, so this is definitely a favorite of mine. Next up, we have a product that maybe you guys don't know about, but that is my concealer. I switched concealer a couple of months ago to the Isadora Camouflage? The Isadora Camouflage Concealer, and this is in the color 28 Warm Beige. I really like this concealer. I feel like it covers a lot. Now, I don't like to use a lot of concealer, so yeah, I really like it. I use it under my eyes and on my eyelids, and it works really well, so I have, again, repurchased. So as you may notice, I do repurchase a lot of products that I use, and that's just because, I don't know, I just like to stick to the things I know work for me. I wear makeup every single day, and obviously I want my makeup to look good and last every single day. So yeah, I just use it until I am bored and I want something new, and then I usually take a sample first and then decide if I like it or not, because I hate wasting money. So if I can, I will try it out first and then decide if I want to purchase it or if I want to stick to what I already have. So you guys know I love lashes. I wear lashes every single day, and this is the glue that I've been using. This is the dual Brush On Adhesive in the dark color, the black color. And now I have a love-hate relationship with this one. So what I love about this glue is that it stays on all day. My lashes never fall off. They stay on so good, and I like that it's black because when I do liner, I don't have to go over with liner to cover up the like white spots from the regular glue. But my problem with it is that, first of all, I don't know if you can see, but like I can't close it, it's so gross. So first of all, it's super gross and messy. Second of all, it never fully dries, so like if I take my finger and do like this, it kind of sticks to it, and sometimes you have to do like that. And then my third problem so then my third problem is that, you know, with lashes you can usually just peel off the whole lash, like the glue on the lash band. With this one you can't do that because like it sticks so good, so it's really hard to get everything off, and it kind of, after a couple of weeks, it kind of clumps up and you can't get it off completely, so I don't like that. So if you guys have any I can't say that word, suggestions, oh my god. So if you guys want to recommend a new lash glue for me, then I would be very happy. Now this next product is no surprise because I use this one in literally every single video, every single day, and it has lasted me so long. I'm just now getting a new one, and that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. This is the black one, the only one that they have, and this is my favorite liner. It is so good, it's so black, it's long lasting, and like I said, I think I've had this for almost a year, and I use makeup every single day. I do liner every single day, so this one is really good, and I have, of course, repurchased. Also from Anastasia, I have the clear brow gel. Now this is the mini. I had the big one too. This is my go-to brow gel. I love it. It keeps my brows in place, and I really like it because it makes them look fuller, and I don't have to fill them in as much. I mean, if you compare my brows now to like last year, big difference, good difference. That's all I'm gonna say. These are the last 3 products, and they are all mascaras. Now let's start with this one. This is from Anastasia. This is their Lash Brag mascara. You guys know I love Anastasia. I love the brand. There's not a lot of products from Anastasia that I don't like, but this is one of them. It just does not work for my lashes. First of all, I don't like the way my lashes look with it. I don't like the feeling of it, and it also smudges, and it's just not good for my lashes. So this one I won't repurchase. I don't like this one. Then the next mascara is the Major Pleasure mascara from Nabla. This one I really like. I like the way my lashes look. You don't have to work a lot with it. It just kind of makes your lashes look good immediately, and it's also very long lasting. It doesn't smudge or fall down, so this one is really good, and I will repurchase it. So this last product is the Cake Staring False Lash Mascara. And you guys, if they made this in a waterproof formula, this would be the best mascara ever. I would never purchase another mascara. It is so good. Like the brush, the way it makes my lashes look. One coat and you're good to go. It makes your lashes look amazing, and like I said, they're discontinuing their brand, and I got all of them, so hopefully this will last me a while. So from my understanding, I could be wrong, but I think that they are rebranding, so hopefully they come out with something similar, but hopefully in a waterproof formula, because that would make me so happy. So yeah, that is all for me today, guys. Let me know if you guys like this video, and if there's anything else you want to see from me. This is kind of out of my comfort zone because I usually always stick to makeup tutorials, but yeah, I thought it would be fun to do something different. I saw both Karen, I Love Sari, and Raw Beauty Christy do this a little while ago, and like I said, I love these type of videos myself. So I hope you guys like it too, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!